The executive director of a nonprofit organization dedicated to the path of tort reform legislation in Missouri is promoting for the regulation of the litigation finance industry. Missouri Civil Justice Reform Coalition Executive Director Richard Albican claims that litigation financing has kind of exploded in recent times. Albican said that one of the biggest alarms with this lending practice is the amount of money it takes from the individual who has been injured in some way, and the extreme rates that are owed to the lender. Of course, the attorneys that are involved don't like it by most accounts, he said. And then all of a sudden, you have this third party involved in a case that is ultimately going to take upwards of 40 to 50% of whatever the proceeds of the judgment you might ultimately get. It becomes an exceptionally big issue. It makes the litigation last longer. Albican said litigation financing reform has captured some interest in Missouri House of Representatives, but proposals to regulate the industry, like banks have not progressed. Missouri is one of the states in which major litigation financing company, Oasis Legal Finance Operating Co., LLC, operates. In April 2018, two Missourians sued Oasis in the U.S. District Court in the Eastern District of Missouri over claims the defendant charged excessive interest rates, based on a May 2 Legal Newsline article. In February 2018, lawmakers on Capitol Hill introduced the Litigation Funding Transparency Act to get parties who have accepted outside financing to disclose all terms of the agreements. It needs to have some regulation, Albican said. Frankly, these industries are existing, the modern-day bookie in many respects. They're able to exist as a loan shark of sorts, charging exceptionally high rates for individuals who are pressed, and very stressed in life, and forced to make bad decisions. I would hope that any legislation that passes, it will ensure that those companies that do this work are regulated and that those individuals they contracted with for these loans are given the opportunity to back out.